screen flows and auto-launch flows in Salesforce. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into one of Salesforce's most powerful automation tools, flows. Specifically, we'll be covering screen flows and auto-launch flows, two types of flows that help automate processes in different ways. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference between them and how they can transform your Salesforce workflows. What are screen flows? Let's talk about screen flows. These are flows that require user interaction. Screen flows are designed to guide users through a series of screens where they input data, make selections, or follow instructions. For example, let's say a sales rep is filling out a customer onboarding form in Salesforce. A screen flow can guide them through the steps, asking for information like the customer's name, contact details, and preferences. Screen flows are perfect for scenarios where you need to collect information from users directly within Salesforce. They enhance user experience by ensuring the process is smooth and well organized. What are auto-launch flows? Now, let's move on to auto-launch flows. Unlike screen flows, auto-launch flows run behind the scenes without any user interaction. These flows are typically used to automate processes such as updating records, sending notifications, or creating tasks based on certain conditions. For example, imagine you want to automatically update a customer's record when a case is closed. You can set up an auto-launch flow that triggers when the case status changes to closed, and it will update the customer's information in the background, no user input needed. Auto-launch flows are incredibly useful for automating repetitive tasks and improving efficiency in your workflows. When to use screen flows vs. auto-launch flows. So when should you use screen flows and when should you use auto-launch flows? It's pretty simple. Screen flows are ideal for processes where user input is required. Think of guided forms, surveys, or wizards. Auto-launch flows are great for automating processes that happen without user involvement, like updating records or sending automated emails. Use screen flows when you need user interaction, and auto-launch flows when you want to automate background tasks. Both screen flows and auto-launch flows are incredibly powerful tools in Salesforce that help streamline your processes. Screen flows engage users directly, while auto-launch flows handle the automation behind the scenes. By choosing the right type of flow, you can make your Salesforce experience more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Salesforce tips and tricks.